This is Unity, which is a 3D game engine, although it's also used for simulations, virtual reality, augmented reality, and a lot of other things. We're not really going to be learning Unity this semester, but we are going to be using this as a platform for thinking about how the 3D models, textures, and animations we create this semester can be used in interactive media. So the next couple videos and exercises are going to go over installing Unity and then looking at the sample scene. The sample scene is just a default scene provided by Unity, actually. But what we're going to be doing over the course of the semester is learning to import our 3D models into this scene, scaling them and positioning them, and then also eventually replacing some of these objects with some of our own original creations, so that eventually the class as a collaborative team will be creating a whole little world just out of your own imaginations. All right, so let's get into that.